Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create multiple Shopify stores under the same email address. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify, okay? Just go to your Shopify dashboard, as you can see here, guys. Now, after that, you will see here your store name in the top right, as you can see here. You want to click on it, and then after that, you want to click here where it says all stores. Now, after guys, you click on all stores, it will take you guys to this page. Now you can create as many Shopify accounts as you want, or as many Shopify stores as you want, by clicking on create store. Now you just need to click on this plus button that says here create store, click on it, and then you can create, like I said, as many stores as you want. Just use the exact same email address, click on it, and then give it a few seconds. As you can see, it says here welcome to Shopify, and now you will ask you here, let's get started. Where would you like to sell? For example, an online store, and then click on next, and then here which of these best describes you. I'm selling online or in a person, for example. What is your size, your business? The small, less than $250,000. Then click next. Are you currently selling through another platform? You can just select here whatever, and then click next, and then click get started, and then click skip. I'll decide later. And then that's exactly how you can create your Shopify store. Now we have created a Shopify store. As you can see 3 days left in your trial. Okay, so if you are wondering if you will have to pick a plan for each store, the answer is yes. So each store has nothing to do with your previous stores. Okay, so you will have to add the domain name to your second store or third store, whatever, and then you will have to pick a plan. Okay, like I said, this doesn't have to do anything with your first store. Now if you click here in the top right for your store name, you will see here all your stores. Now, as you can see, now I just created my store name. I just created this store just a few seconds ago, as you saw. Now this is my old store. You can do this as many as you want. Just click on all stores and do the exact same steps to create another store. Okay, so hopefully guys, this video adds some value to you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.